They start with a T configuration.
I'm John Croft.
You can start the approach here.
The idea of flying as directly as possible to your destination in instrument weather, or at night, is appealing to every IFR pilot I know, including myself. But actually doing it is even better. As the sun sets on College Park Airport on this chilly Maryland evening, I'm going to fly to Carroll County Regional Airport using both the classic non-precision VOR approach and the WAAS LPV approach to the same runway. The LPV approach is a satellite-enabled modern approach with horizontal and vertical guidance, as well as lower minimums.
And then we'll come back to the VOR and do the VOR approach, which is based on the VOR station, and it's a non-precision approach that takes you down to 700 feet above the ground, misaligned with the runway.
The visibility on this night was ideal for flying, and the LPV approach made things even easier to see.
We're on LPV on our approach now, which is good, so we're locked in. This is where the LPV lets you off. This is as low as you can go on the LPV.
And with that, we've experienced firsthand the utility and safety the WAAS LPV approach offers. Now we'll take off again and try the old-fashioned VOR approach, which is based on a ground station about 8 miles south of the airport. The first difference is simple and noticeable.
This approach got us down to 1,000 feet above sea level. This will be 1,500.
And that's just for starters. As we approach, even in these VFR conditions, the runway is much harder to see and at a less convenient angle. In fact, our video camera can barely find the runway. Here's a side-by-side visual that illustrates just how different the two approaches really are. The same horizontal and vertical guidance that makes lining up and descending to the runway a snap at night is also a godsend in instrument weather. Instrument-rated pilots need only to equip with a WAAS-capable navigator system to take advantage of the growing number of LPV procedures the FAA is creating. LPV capability gives pilots a powerful alternative to old-school, non-precision approaches, the VOR included.